Hey there, my name is Kyle and I'm part of the product team here at Style AI. We are so fortunate to have had thousands of businesses use Crafta and Siona, our web building and SEO products, and have had thousands more use our new Google Ads tool, Adwin. What I want to do today is walk you through the Adwin product, kind of go over some of our new features that we've launched, and help you understand how Adwin can best serve your business. With that being said, I think we should just dive right in and take a look at the experience itself. Perfect. The first thing you'll see is 3 different business types. On the left-hand side, you'll see local businesses. This is meant for businesses that have a brick and mortar location and sell products directly to their customers. Next, you'll see e-commerce businesses. These are businesses that sell physical and digital goods online through an e-commerce provider, oftentimes Shopify. Lastly, you'll see broader reach agencies and consultancies focused on those who sell services online but don't actually deliver goods to their clients. Let's go with e-commerce and move along. Great. Now you'll see the holistic overview of what Adwin can provide and a preview of what we actually will do. First, you'll see the chosen ad campaign based on your business that we suggest. In this case, a Google search campaign. Next, you'll see a preview of your relevant ads that we'll produce in order to drive conversion and reach your target audience. Lastly, you'll see a list of keywords that we've chosen based on your business that we think will resonate and activate your customers on Google search platforms. Perfect. With all that being said, let's dive in and create our first project. Amazing. After going through a brief onboarding flow, which includes choosing your conversion events, setting up your pixel, and connecting your account to Google Ads, you'll reach this dashboard. First things first is that you will see an opportunity to book a meeting with one of our customer success managers that's a Google Ads expert focused on helping you understand your budget, goals, and optimization strategies. Below that, you'll see our full analytics dashboard where you can see your number of impressions, your clicks, your conversions, your average click-through rate, your cost per click, some of your ad previews, and your top performing ad search results. This acts as a sort of source of truth for all of your Google ad performance using Adwin. Next, we'll go dive into conversions. In conversions, you'll see the conversion events that we have chosen for you to register as a conversion. This can be anything from adding to cart, to scheduling a call, to actually purchasing a product. We choose conversion events for you based on your business, but you can always go in and add your own conversion events as well. What we like to say is choose conversion events that are good for you and your business based on your customer profile. So for some people, that might actually be buying an item, but for others, that could just be adding to cart. That could be just giving you a phone call for a prospective lead, a whole number of things based on your type of business. Perfect. If you need any support setting up conversions, we have a conversions guide, which will help you set them up. And you can always access your customer support manager in order to best understand how to choose the right conversion events. Amazing. Now let's dive into the budget tab. The budget tab helps you understand your daily budget over time. Adwin operates on a daily budget model, which means you put in the amount that you want to spend on Google Ads daily. Here, you can see both the budget and the estimated clicks based on the budget that you've inputted. Additionally, it'll give you a breakdown of how that money will be spent. We take a 10% management fee for your Google Ads budget, and that's all. What that means to us is that we do well when you do well. There's no hidden fees, no extra cost, no subscription service, just a pure flat fee based on how well your Google Ads are performing and the amount that you spend on Google Ads. Great. Now let's dive into our ad content. The first thing you'll see here is headlines and descriptions. Your headlines are the actual titles of your Google search results. For example, trendy phone cases or stylish case designs. These will be mixed and matched and A/B tested to ensure that we choose the highest performing ads for you. Below, you'll see all of your descriptions. So the descriptions that you can use to best maximize your ads. Again, this will be swapped and switched between your headlines to make sure that we choose the right combinations. At any time, you go in and delete a headline or add a new headline and save your changes. You can do the same with descriptions as well. Great. Now let's go into keywords. Keywords in Adwin are the Google search term results that we will service your ads for. So for example, for this phone case brand, when someone searches iPhone 14 Pro cases, then we will service the ads for this business for that keyword. It's important to make sure that you understand that the positive keywords associated are the right ones that you want to be reaching. If you at any time notice that there's a keyword that doesn't make a ton of sense, for example, we saw that this business was showing their ads for a lot of people who search Santa Barbara cover because it was in one of the descriptions of one of the products. But we don't actually have any phone cases about Santa Barbara in particular. So we added that as a blocked keyword. So when someone searches that, we will make sure not to send our ads to that customer to avoid wasting and spending unnecessary money on customers whose products we don't have. You can see currently what your top performing ad search results are and if we're currently active on being able to reach them. Really interesting way of better understanding and getting more granularity into the best search results for you. Oftentimes, you can also go, hey, this keyword is working really well. Let's add this to our positive keywords to make sure we target more of those customers because this product is selling really well. Great. Now we'll go into location targeting. Great. Now for location targeting, this is where we service your ads to customers. If you are a local business or a brick and mortar location, we recommend that you only advertise near your current address or in the county or city that you reside. That makes sure that we don't send your ads to customers that can never actually come buy them in store. For e-commerce businesses or service agencies or consultancies, we recommend that you advertise in the entirety of the United States because it doesn't matter where a customer comes from if they can just buy it online. Great. If you have any additional questions about location targeting, ad content, budget, conversions, you can always access our support documentation in the bottom left-hand side. Last thing we'll do is hop into settings. In the settings tab, you can see your billing summary, your invoice history, and go in and manage your Google Ads campaign or your Adwin account. That is Adwin in a nutshell. We are so excited for you to take your Google Ads journey to the next level with Adwin. Again, as I reiterated, if you ever need any questions, you can always reach out to your customer success manager or access our support documentation and chat with an agent directly. We really appreciate you using Adwin and happy optimizing.